Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for All. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important question from Module 5 of Microcontrollers. So our question is, briefly explain cache line replacement policies. So a cache line replacement policies determines which cache line is removed, means victim line, and when a cache miss occurs and new data must be loaded into a full cache. That's why we use cache line replacement policy here. So our first one, which is round robin, means cyclic policy. In this, cache line are replaced in a fixed sequential order. It uses a victim counter, and after reaching the last line, the counter returns to the first line. Here is the working from way 0 to way 1, way 1 to way 2, way 2 to way 3, and up to way 0. So here are the advantages we can see. Implementation is very simple. It is predictable behavior, suitable for embedded system, and the disadvantage is performance may decrease for certain memory access patterns. Now the second policy, which is pseudo random policy. In this, cache line is selected randomly for replacement. It uses a non-sequential victim counter. The working is like way 0, then any random way 3, way 1, then way 2, any random orders. Here's the advantages. It reduces predictable cache conflicts and better distribution of replacement. But the disadvantage is less predictable than round robin. Now, the third one, which is least recently used LRU. In this, replaces the cache line that has not been used for the longest time, and it provides better cache utilization. Now, here we have to note that standard ARM cores generally do not support LRU. Some third party ARM processor may implement it. Here's the comparison of policies here. For round robin, the sequential replaced method we use, and the advantage is simple and predictable. And for pseudo random, the method is random replacement, and the advantage is reduces cache conflicts. And in LRU, the method is replaces least recently used line, and advantage is better hit rate. So like this, you have to write in the examination about all these three policies. And if you want these notes, you guys can join our WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel, whose link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.